Hey boys, come in. Boys.
I'm
gonna get toilet. Boys, can you come in? Please. So can you guys remember what the values were?
Yeah. Trust. Fun. And
wait, so what was one of them? Trust. Love. Respect. Non-judgmental. Responsibility. That was it. And one that you were going to put in here was fun. So for this, go so you can run across this. Boys, can you please be respectful? Guys, come in, please. For this next activity we're going to do, it's called the human knot. What? And there's going to be, I'm going to split you guys into 2 teams. So there's going to be 5 in each team. There's going to be 5 in each team. Right, and what you guys are going to do is you're going to group together. Right, what you're going to do is I'll split you into 2 groups. And you guys are going to all stand in a circle. Yeah, but you can't grab the arms that are next to you, and you got to untangle yourself.
Oh. Well, I'll go for
but the thing is that you guys got to work together in doing this, and you got to come up with some good strategy. Because what this. Oh yeah, okay, we'll do it now. And the team that does it the fastest is gonna get a shot of ice cream from me.
Oh yeah!
What?
Why now? Can we pick our team?
Yeah, when we go back.
Can we pick our team? Yep.
What? No, I want to.
About the markers, mate.
Smallest one.
Yeah, you can stop it.